joined by the RCIO, the head of the RDU. We also are forgotten. And
for the next 12 months, we are going to do all the simulations, all the planning that we need to do, and ensure that we are ready to support a very, very peaceful electoral process in the country, so that we should never have the challenges we have had in the past. Why should it be that during every election year, we even have challenges in the economy because businesses are hurt and affected and so on? We are determined to make sure that this time around that does not happen. And I'm grateful to our Inspector General for the planning that he has shown us, the team that he has put together with the DIGs and the DCI. The work that has gone on is brilliant. I'm personally very satisfied and happy about it, and we'll continue to support you as you move along in the field. But I want to ask you, my brothers and sisters, you are Kenyans as much as we, your leaders, are, as much as those politicians are. Do not be intimidated, and let us not give in to anything that will hurt the stability and security of our country. This is our only home on earth. We have a duty to ensure that this country is stable, is secure, and Kenyans go about their activities.